Okay, last lecture, this classification of solid is completed. We know that solids, they are classified into three classes on the basis of width of forbidden band. On this width of forbidden band, they are classified into three classes. First is insulators, second is semiconductors, and third one is the conductors. First, insulators, anyone? In last lecture, it is completed. These three types are completed: insulators, semiconductors, and conductors. We'll revise it and then we'll go for next article. What is insulators? What are the points from insulators? But fast. Anyone? Fast. आत्ताच सांगितलंय मी, पटकन आन्सर द्यायचे. 31 number, fast. Row number 31. Start it. Complete all the points. सांगा आता तरी फास्ट. Insulators are
high resistivity and low conductivity.
Okay, cover all the points. First point is in case width of forbidden band of insulator is 3 to.
In case of insulator, the forbidden energy band is wide. That is, it varies from 3 to 10 electron volt. In insulators, the valence electrons are bound very tightly to their parent atoms. Third, they have high resistivity or low conductivity. The range of insulators rho 10 raised to 8 to 10 raised to 15 ohm meter.
And examples?
Wood, plastic, and diamond.
Okay, these are the examples of insulating materials. Okay, then next is semiconductors. Anyone? Semiconductors. Semiconductors.
In case of semiconductors, for forbidden band is very small. It varies from 0.2 to 2 electron volt. At absolute zero temperature, no electron has energy to jump from valence band to conduction band, and hence the crystal is an insulator. Charge carries are electron as well as holes. The conductivity is of the order of 10 raised to 2 mov per meter. Example, silicon is equal to 1.1 electron volt. Example, germanium is equal to 0.74 electron volt.
Okay, in case of conductor, next one. Conductors. Gore. Rohini Kadam. Fast. Don't waste time. Conductors.
In conductor, there is no forbidden band gap. That means valence band and covalent band overlap with each other.
This is not covalent band. This is conduction band. Valence band and conduction band overlap with each other.
Due to absence of forbidden band, there is no structure to establish holes. The total current in it is simply a flow of electron. The charge carriers are only electron. Example, copper, aluminum, and tin.
Okay, these are the examples of conductors. Okay, up to this completed last lecture. Now the right title is written Fermi level. Okay, in Fermi level, we know that any crystalline solids, each energy level splits into the number of energy levels and energy bands are formed. Okay, and how energy bands are filled first? Which energy levels are filled first? How energy bands are filled? Lower level. How energy bands are filled? Lower levels are filled first. Okay, this is the completely filled band. Then next, this is the energy. Lower levels are filled first, then next lowest, then next lowest, then next lowest, and so on. This highest field energy level or highest field energy state at which temperature? Highest field energy level or highest. Okay, highest field energy level or highest field energy state at 0 Kelvin is known as Fermi level. Okay, this is the definition of Fermi level. Fermi level means highest field energy level or highest field energy state at 0 Kelvin is known as or is called as Fermi level. Okay, first write definition of Fermi level. Write it. The highest field state. The highest field state. Definition of Fermi level. Write everyone. The highest field state at 0 Kelvin. The highest field state at 0 Kelvin is called. The highest field state at 0 Kelvin is called. The highest field state at 0 Kelvin is called the Fermi level. Is called the Fermi level, and its corresponding energy is called the Fermi energy, and its corresponding energy is called the Fermi energy. Okay, once again, the highest field state at 0 Kelvin is called the Fermi level, and its corresponding energy is called the Fermi energy. Now we'll read it. Anyone? Roll number 5.
Yes, sir.
Definition of Fermi level.
The highest field state at a 0 Kelvin is called the Fermi level, and its corresponding energy is called the Fermi level energy.
Okay.
Fermi energy.
Fermi energy. Okay. Then draw this figure. In this figure, show all the energy levels below the Fermi level. They are completely filled with electrons, and all the energy states above the Fermi level, they are empty. Let's complete this figure first. Okay, all the energy states or all the energy levels below the Fermi level, they are completely filled with electrons, and all the energy states above the Fermi level, they are empty. Complete it first. Okay, this figure is over. Then see, assume that this energy level E is below the Fermi level. Then this is completely filled or empty. Assume that E is the energy level. This is the E is below the Fermi level at 0 Kelvin. It is empty or completely filled? कौन सांगता है? It is a E is below the Fermi level. This E is less than EF.
Half filled.
It is E is less than EF at 0 Kelvin. Then this energy level E is completely filled with electrons, and E is above the Fermi level. E is above the Fermi level. Means E is greater. Okay, E is greater than EF at 0 Kelvin. Then this energy level is empty, and this is completely filled with electrons. Completely filled with electrons. Means we'll write these two cases at 0 Kelvin. Write it at 0 Kelvin. At 0 Kelvin, this case we'll write it at 0 Kelvin. All the states, is all the energy levels, all the energy states at 0 Kelvin, all the states or all the energy levels up to EF, means up to Fermi level. At 0 Kelvin, all the states or all the energy levels up to EF are full or are completely filled. All the energy states up to EF are full. And case 2, all states above EF, all the states above EF, all the states above EF are empty. Okay. At 0 Kelvin, all states up to EF are full or completely filled, and at all states above EF are empty. Means all the states below the EF means E is less than below EF means E is less than EF, and above EF means E is greater than
EF.
EF. Okay, this here definition of Fermi level. Then we know that at 0 Kelvin temperature, all the energy states or all the energy levels below the Fermi level, they are full, they are completely filled with electrons, and all the energy states above EF, they are empty. Okay, this is the definition of Fermi level and explanation of this Fermi level. And right, next article, Fermi direct probability distribution function. Right, next article, Fermi direct probability distribution function. The title is Fermi direct probability distribution function. 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 Now listen please. Here, this is the completely filled band. These lower levels are filled completely filled first, then next low, then next low, and so on. This highest field state or highest field energy level at which temperature? At 0 Kelvin is called as Fermi level. If temperature T is greater than 0, temperature T is greater than 0, then electrons transfer from lower level to the higher level. So electrons jump from lower energy states to the higher energy states. But at 0 Kelvin, at temperature 0 Kelvin, all the energy states or all the energy levels below the Fermi level, they are completely filled with electrons, and all the energy states above the Fermi level, they are empty. But T increases means temperature increases, electrons transfer from lower energy state to the higher energy states. Here, this is the Fermi direct probability distribution function, F of E. F of E means probability of electron occupancy of energy level E at T temperature T. Means for example, this is the energy state E and temperature T is equal to 0. Then what is F of E? त्याची probability किती आहे हो इलेक्ट्रॉन असण्याची 0 or 1. It is completely filled. Completely filled म्हणजे किती येणार आहे probability? It is probability कशाला म्हणायचं ते तर अगोदर माहिती आहे का? एक लक्ष द्या एक मिनिट हा. 0 केल्विनला 0 केल्विन टेम्परेचरला सगळ्या एनर्जी लेवल कशाच्या EF च्या खालच्या सगळ्या एनर्जी लेवल्स कशा आहेत हो? एमटी आहेत का कम्प्लिटली फिल्ड आहेत? एमटी आहेत का कम्प्लिटली फिल्ड आहेत? कम्प्लिटली फिल्ड आहेत. ओके, कम्प्लिटली फिल्ड आहेत. म्हणजे टेम्परेचर जर टी घेतला आपण, टेम्परेचर टी इज इक्वल टू 0 केल्विन घेतलं आणि एनर्जी लेवल EF च्या खाली घेतली, म्हणजे केस नंबर 1 अशी घेतली मी. ओके, दिस इज केस फर्स्ट. टेम्परेचर आपण 0 केल्विन घेतला, 0 केल्विन, आणि ई समजा ई जी आहे ती फर्मी लेवल जी आहे बिलो EF घेतली, म्हणजे इथं घेतली. म्हणजे ही कशी असणार आहे? कम्प्लिटली फील्ड असणार आहे का एमटी असणार आहे 0 केल्विनला? कम्प्लिटली फील्ड. म्हणजे त्याची प्रोबॅबिलिटी काय? व्हॅल्यू ऑफ F ऑफ E म्हणजे प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन असण्याची प्रोबॅबिलिटी, त्या एनर्जी लेवलमध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन असल्याची प्रोबॅबिलिटी, त्याला म्हणतो आपण F ऑफ E. प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्युपन्सी काय असणार आहे त्याची? 1 असणार आहे का? 1 असणार आहे का 0 असणार आहे? 1 म्हणजे इट इज अ completely filled with electron. Probability of electron occupancy of this energy state E is 1 if E is below the Fermi level. E is below the Fermi level and temperature T is equal to 0 Kelvin. समजा टेम्परेचर T पेक्षा जास्त असेल तर प्रोबॅबिलिटी 1 पेक्षा कमी असू शकते, कारण इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ट्रान्सफर फ्रॉम कुठून कुठे ट्रान्सफर होतात?
लोअर लेवल टू हायर लेवल.
लोअर लेवल टू दी हायर लेवल. आता तशीच केस नंबर 2 घेतली आपण. केस नंबर 2 टेम्परेचर 0च ठेवलाय आपण. टेम्परेचर इज इक्वल टू 0 केल्विन. ओके, आणि E इज अबव दी फर्मी लेवल. दिस एनर्जी लेवल E, तेव्हा E डॅश म्हणू आपण. दिस E डॅश इज अबव दी फर्मी लेवल. त्याच्यामध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत का हो?
नो.
0 केल्विनला इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत का? म्हणजे त्याची इलेक्ट्रॉन असण्याची, ह्या 0 टेम्परेचरला इलेक्ट्रॉन असण्याची प्रोबॅबिलिटी किती असणार आहे? F ऑफ E. ओके, F ऑफ E ची व्हॅल्यू किती असणार आहे? 0 असणार. F ऑफ E इज इक्वल टू 0. F ऑफ E मीन्स probability of electron occupancy of this energy state E at temperature T Kelvin. At temperature T Kelvin. But temperature is greater than 0. समजा ही 0 टेम्परेचर नाहीये. It is T is greater than 0. त्यावेळेस काय असणार आहे? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ट्रान्सफर फ्रॉम लोअर एनर्जी, लोअर लेवल टू दी हायर लेवल. मीन्स Okay, some probability is there. Is f of e is not equal to 0. त्यावेळेस f of e is equal to 0 असणार आहे का? f of
नाही.
e is not equal to 0. When if temperature T is
Greater.
greater than 0, then this f of e is not equal to 0. Means f of e means what? What is f of e?
Probability of electron occupancy of
Energy level E.
Okay, probability of electron occupancy of this energy level E is called as f of e. 1 upon this function is probability Fermi direct probability distribution function is f of e is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to e म्हणजे एनर्जी ऑफ दिस एनर्जी स्टेट ई म्हणजे काय, ह्या स्टेटची एनर्जी इथं वाय ऍक्सिस वर मिळणारी. ई बी द एनर्जी ऑफ दिस एनर्जी स्टेट ई एफ मीन्स व्हॉट इज ई एफ? फर्मी एनर्जी. त्याला कसली एनर्जी म्हणतो आपण? फर्मी एनर्जी. के म्हणजे काय, हा बोल्ट्झमन कॉन्स्टंट. व्हॉट इज के? बोल्ट्झमन कॉन्स्टंट. आणि टी म्हणजे काय आहे?
temperature.
टेम्परेचर. ओके, दिस इज द expression f of e means f of e is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt. It is the Fermi direct probability distribution function. What is definition? The expression, हे expression पासून काय मिळते आपल्याला बघा. Expression that governs the distribution of electrons. The expression that governs distribution of electrons among the energy levels. कशामध्ये? एनर्जी लेवल मध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉनचं डिस्ट्रीब्युशन कसं होतंय, कशावर डिपेंडेंट आहे ते? टेम्परेचरवर डिपेंडेंट आहे. The expression that governs the distribution of electrons among the energy level as a function of temperature, means it depends upon temperature, is known as Fermi direct probability distribution function. Once again, the expression that governs the distribution of electrons amongst the energy levels as a function of temperature is known as Fermi direct probability distribution function. Okay, right title is the Fermi direct probability distribution function. Right definition of this Fermi direct probability distribution function. The expression, once again I will repeat, the expression, कुठलं expression काय करते ते expression? The expression that governs the distribution of electrons, the distribution of electrons amongst the energy levels as a function of temperature is known as Fermi direct probability distribution function. The electron distribution कशावर अवलंबून आहे? It depends upon the it depends upon the distribution of electrons among the energy levels. It depends upon the
Temperature.
Okay, write it, right definition. The expression, the definition of Fermi direct probability distribution function. मी राईट ज्यावेळेस म्हणतो त्यावेळेस लिहायचं, नोटबुक जवळच पाहिजे आपल्या. The expression that governs GOVERNS, the expression that governs the distribution of electrons, the expression that governs the distribution of electrons, the expression that governs the distribution of electrons among the energy levels, as a function of temperature. The expression that governs the distribution of electrons amongst the energy levels as a function of temperature is known as Fermi direct probability distribution function, is known as Fermi direct probability distribution function. Once again, the expression that governs the distribution of electrons among the energy levels as a function of temperature is known as Fermi direct probability distribution function. Therefore, next line, write it, f of e is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt, 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt, where where that f of e is equal to what is f of e?
Probability
Write it probability of
probability of electron occupying of energy level.
okay, probability of electron occupancy of energy level E. Probability of f of E is probability of electron occupancy of energy level E. Then what is E?
Energy
of any
level.
Okay, energy of any energy level E. F of E, write it Fermi energy. F of E is a Fermi energy. K, this is a small k. Boltzmann constant. K is a Boltzmann constant. And T is the temperature. K is a Boltzmann constant and T is the temperature. Once again, this function f of E is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt. F of E is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt. F of E is written, E is written, ef is written, ef is Fermi energy, k is the Boltzmann constant and T is the temperature. Okay, temperature in a Kelvin. Then next case number 1. Okay, case number 1. See, this is the case number 1. In this case, E is below the Fermi level. Energy level E कुठे आहे हो? It is a below the Fermi level. हे completely filled असतंय का वन? empty असणार आहे. E is completely filled. Okay, म्हणजे each E is the completely filled. F of E ची व्हॅल्यू किती असणार आहे इथं? 1. हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. हे प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. राईट, केस नंबर 1. पहिली फिगर काढले का ही? एक फिगर काढा कुठेतरी, अगोदर फिगर काढा. एक जागी तर पाहिजे कमीत कमी. जिथं आपण त्याचं डेफिनेशन लिहिलेलं आहे इथं काढा फिगर. फर्मी डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन अँड ड्रॉ दिस फिगर. Okay, at 0 Kelvin, T is equal to 0. Okay, and E is below the Fermi level, means E is less than EF. क्या लिहिले आपण? T and temperature is equal to 0 Kelvin. This is case number 1. Temperature is equal to 0, and E is below the Fermi level. See this energy level, E is below the Fermi level, and temperature किती ठेवलाय आपण लिहिलेलं आहे बघा temperature. What is temperature? T is equal to which temperature? 0 Kelvin. Okay, and Fermi level E is below the Fermi level. Since E is less than EF, write this first sentence. At 0 Kelvin, f of E at 0 Kelvin for energy level E below EF, for energy level E below EF, that is E is less than EF, that is E is less than EF, E is less than EF. Therefore, f of E is equal to 1 dividing by f of E is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt. 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt. म्हणजे f of E is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt. Therefore, f of E is equal to, put value of t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0. काय येणार आहे इथं? e raised to काय येणार आहे? 1 upon 0 म्हणजे इन्फिनिटी. आता E मोठा आहे का EF मोठा आहे? दोन्हीपैकी काय मोठा आहे? E मोठा आहे का EF मोठा आहे? EF मोठा आहे. म्हणजे इन्फिनिटीला साइन कसलं येणार आहे? पॉझिटिव्ह का निगेटिव्ह? निगेटिव्ह साइन येणार आहे. ओके, म्हणजे 1 प्लस 1 डिवाइडिंग बाय 1 प्लस e रेज टू मायनस इन्फिनिटी. बरोबर आहे? आलं लक्षात? Here temperature T is equal to 0 Kelvin and E is below the Fermi level, means E is less than EF घेतलंय आपण. Okay, then 1 upon t is equal to 0 आहे, हे 0 आहे. t is equal to 0 means 1 upon 0 म्हणजे काय आलं, infinity आलं. And why minus sign is given? Because E is less than the EF. Means sign of minus, means sign of EF is given, it is equal to minus infinity. Therefore 1 upon 1 plus e raised to minus infinity means what is e raised to minus infinity? 0. Means f of e is equal to काय येणार आहे, f of e is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to minus infinity means 0 आला. Therefore f of e is equal to 1. f of e is equal to 1 चा अर्थ काय होत आहे, दिस एनर्जी लेवल, कुठली एनर्जी लेवल, जी एनर्जी लेवल EF च्या खाली आहे. ओके, EF च्या अगोदर आहे, EF च्या खाली आहे, ती कशी आहे, कम्प्लिटली फील. कोणत्या टेम्परेचरला,
0
Kelvin. Okay, first complete this. F of E is equal to, write all the equations. F of E is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to e minus EF upon KT. The second, f of e is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to minus infinity. E raised to minus infinity means 0. This f of e is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 0. That is f of e is equal to 0. Sorry, f of e is equal to 0 or 1? 1. Then write last statement. Kalina, at 0 Kelvin, all states up to EF are full or are completely filled. At 0 Kelvin, all states up to EF are filled or are completely filled or full. All states up to EF are full or completely filled. Okay, this case number 1 is over. झालं का सगळ्यांचं?
Yes, sir.
Okay, case number 2 तुम्ही करायचे. I will give hint only. This t is equal to 0 बरोबर आहे तसंच राहिलेलं आहे. E is above the Fermi level. ही कुठं असणार आहे E? ही कुठं असणार आहे हो? Above the Fermi level. इथं बिलोच्या ऐवजी above वर्ड येणार. आणि इथं E is काय येणार आहे? Greater than EF. आणि इथं काय असणार आहे हो? E raised to 1 upon t म्हणजे 1 upon 0 म्हणजे इन्फिनिटी आलं. बट विच इज ग्रेटर हिअर? E is greater or the EF is greater?
E is greater.
E is greater म्हणजे साइन कुठला येणार आहे इन्फिनिटीला?
Positive.
E raised to infinity. बरोबर आहे का? E raised to infinity. आणि E raised to infinity म्हणजे काय असतंय?
Infinity.
E raised to infinity म्हणजे इन्फिनिटी असतंय. ठीक आहे, complete it first. Case number 2, write it. So draw this figure first. Everyone please draw this figure for case 2. Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. Title is Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. Okay, we know that semiconductors, there are two types of semiconductors. First one is the intrinsic type of semiconductors. Second one is the extrinsic type of extrinsic type of semiconductors. What is intrinsic? Anyone? Intrinsic means
Pure type
semiconductor.
okay, pure semiconductors are called as intrinsic type of semiconductors. What is extrinsic?
Impure.
Doped semiconductors.
Okay, impure semiconductors or doped semiconductors are called as extrinsic type of semiconductors. And we know that in case of intrinsic type of semiconductors, in case of intrinsic type of semiconductors, number of electrons in the conduction band is equal to number of holes in the valence band. Okay, concentration of electrons in a conduction band is equal to concentration of holes in the valence band. In case of intrinsic or in case of pure semiconductors, examples silicon and germanium, these are the examples of intrinsic type of semiconductors. In case of intrinsic type of semiconductor, concentration of electrons in a conduction band, N means concentration of electrons in a conduction band, and P means concentration of holes in the valence band. If n is equal to p, in case of intrinsic type of semiconductor, n is equal to p. N means concentration of electrons in the conduction band, and p means concentration of holes in the valence band. Notice definition of Fermi level. Here Fermi level is the energy that corresponds to Cg. Cg means center of gravity of conduction electrons and valence holes. The center of gravity of conduction electrons and valence holes weighted according to their energies. Okay, definition of Fermi level. Here Fermi level in semiconductors, this definition is different than the Fermi level in metals. Earlier definition was Fermi level in metals or Fermi level in conductors. Here Fermi level in semiconductor. Here Fermi level is the energy that corresponds to Cg. Cg means center of gravity of the conduction electrons and valence holes weighted according to their energies. Here see the case of intrinsic type of semiconductors. From n be the concentration of electrons in a n काय आहे? What is n?
Concentration of electron.
कंडक्शन बँड मधले इलेक्ट्रॉनचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. p म्हणजे काय आहे?
Concentration of electron.
Concentration of holes in valence band.
ओके, म्हणजे n इज इक्वल टू p. जेवढे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंडक्शन बँड मध्ये आहेत तेवढेच होल्स कशामध्ये आहेत?
Valence bond.
Valence band.
ओके, जेवढे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंडक्शन बँड मध्ये आहेत तेवढेच होल्स व्हॅलन्स बँड मध्ये आहेत. म्हणजे फर्मी लेवल म्हणजे काय? सीजी म्हटलंय आपण. सीजी म्हणजे काय म्हणलंय? सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आणि होल्स. सीजी कुठे येणार आहे? हो, वेर इज द सीजी? दिस इज फॉरबिडन बँड. वेर इज द सीजी? जेवढे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत तेवढेच होल्स आहेत. जेवढे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आहे, जेवढे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत कंडक्शन बँड मध्ये तेवढेच होल्स व्हॅलन्स बँड मध्ये आहे. म्हणजे ह्या दोन्हीचं सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी कुठे येणार आहे? सेंटरला येणार आहे, मिडलला येणार आहे. कशाच्या मिडलला येणार आहे? Okay, at the center of forbidden band or at the middle of forbidden band. This is the Fermi level. Fermi level means is the center of gravity of the conduction electrons and valence holes weighted according to their energy. But in case of intrinsic type of semiconductors, concentration of electrons in a conduction band is n is equal to concentration of holes in the valence band is p. This n is equal to p. That's why Cg means center of gravity lies exactly at the middle. It lies exactly at the center or lies exactly at the middle of which band? Forbidden energy gap. Okay, or forbidden band. That's why Fermi level lies exactly at the center or exactly at the middle of this forbidden energy gap. अजून एकदा सांगतो, आपण बघतो इंट्रिन्सिक टाइप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर. इंट्रिन्सिक मध्ये काय असतात? जेवढे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कशामध्ये आहेत? कंडक्शन बँड. ओके, जेवढे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंडक्शन बँड मध्ये आहेत तेवढेच होल्स कशामध्ये आहेत? व्हॅलन्स बँड मध्ये आहेत. त्याच्यामुळं सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी ह्या कंडक्शन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आणि व्हॅलन्स होलचा सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी कुठे येणार आहे? फॉरबिडन बँडच्या मिडलला किंवा फॉरबिडन बँडच्या सेंटरला किंवा फॉरबिडन बँडच्या मिडलला येणार आहे. ओके, राइट. डेफिनेशन ऑफ फर्मी लेवल. Fermi level is the energy. Fermi level is the energy. Fermi level is the energy that corresponds to. Fermi level is the energy that corresponds to. That corresponds the center of gravity. That corresponds to the center of gravity. Center of gravity of the conduction electrons. Center of gravity of the conduction electrons and valence holes. Center of gravity of the conduction electrons and valence holes weighted, weighted, weighted according to their energies. Weighted according to their energies. Then write first point here, intrinsic first. Point number 1 is write it intrinsic. Intrinsic semiconductors. First is intrinsic. In intrinsic, draw this figure. I'll give 1 or 2 minutes. Show here this is valence band, then conduction band. Show number of electrons in a conduction band. Show number of holes in the valence band. जेवढे electrons conduction band मध्ये आहेत तेवढेच holes valence band मध्ये दाखवा. And right here title intrinsic and below that write it n is equal to p. n म्हणजे काय आहे? What is n? What is n?
Number of electrons.
In a conduction band. And what is p?
Conduction band.
What is p?
Number of electron in valence band.
Electrons नाही हो, holes.
Number of holes.
Okay, or concentration of holes in a valence band, and here concentration of electrons in the conduction band. And draw this figure. Show Fermi level lies exactly at the middle of which band? Forbidden band. Okay, this is the Fermi level. This dotted line indicates the Fermi level, and this dotted line means Fermi level. It is at the center, or it is at the middle of which band? Is forbidden band. Forbidden band च्या center ला आहे. Forbidden band च्या middle ला आहे. And this is the conduction
सर
band.
तिन्ही
आपण
डायग्राम काढायच्या का?
एक काढा, एक जाऊ आपण स्टेप बाय स्टेप. पहिलं इंट्रिन्सिक, त्याची फिगर आणि त्याचे 1 line explanation. Okay, 1 by 1 will go. That's why point number 1 is I had written intrinsic first. Okay, then this figure is over for intrinsic type of semiconductor. Then write one sentence. There is, right, title, intrinsic title is written intrinsic type of semiconductor. After that figure, after figure, 1 line explanation, right? There is an equal number of, there is an equal number of electrons and holes. There is an equal number of electrons and holes. There is an equal number of electrons and holes. The center of gravity of electrons and holes, center of gravity of electrons and holes lies, center of gravity of electrons and holes lies exactly at the middle of forbidden band, exactly at the middle of forbidden band, exactly at the middle of forbidden band, that is Fermi level lies, at the middle of forbidden band. Fermi level lies at the middle of forbidden band. Next, write it n-type semiconductors. In n-type semiconductors, which group elements are added? कौन जानता है? N-type semiconductor, which group element?
Pentavalent impurities.
Pentavalent impurity. Okay, due to addition of this pentavalent impurity, excess electrons are created or holes are created?
Electrons are created.
Excess electrons are created. Means in n-type semiconductor, majority charge carriers are the कुठले आहेत majority? Electrons आहेत का holes आहेत? Electrons. म्हणजे in n-type semiconductor कुठलं concentration जास्त असणार आहे? Electrons के holes?
Conduction band.
Concentration of electrons in a which concentration is more? Concentration of electrons in a conduction band is greater. कशापेक्षा?
Valence band. Holes in valence band.
Valence band. म्हणजे and center of gravity कुठे shift होणार आहे? Where is the center of gravity? म्हणजे shifted towards
Conduction band.
Near to which band? Valence band or conduction band?
Conduction band.
Okay. And then next is, what is p-type? Which group elements are added in p-type? Which group elements are added?
Trivalent impurities.
Trivalent. Third group. Okay. Due to addition of this third group, what is created? Excess electrons or holes?
Holes.
Hold.
Holes are created. Okay, means in p-type semiconductor majority charge carriers are the electrons are holes.
Holes.
Holes means constant n is greater or p is greater in p-type.
P is greater.
P is
P
greater.
means p म्हणजे concentration of holes in a
Holes.
p
Valence.
valence band. And where is the Fermi level for p-type?
Valence band.
Okay, near to the valence band. It is shifted towards the valence band. Okay, remaining part will complete afterwards. Now we'll stop it here.